I'm going to do a burping collection with my friend Finley here.
Okay, who's going to start?
Me?
Look into there, by the way. Okay, see if I can beat that. I beat him. Right, let's go again. Try again, Archie.
Are you doing a burping contest?
Try it again, Archie.
What's going on here?
Try again, Archie.
Yeah?
Yep. Try again, Archie.
Oh, sorry, Archie.
Archie. Okay. Let me try and burp my
Excuse me, guys, can I go and say?
Right. I go A, you do B, I do C, you do E, you know. Alright. A. Okay, you do B. Alright, I'll do A, you do A. I do B, you do B. Okay. Ready? Start from the beginning. A.
Finley, can you start winding that down? We're going to be taking Archie back.
B. 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 But for B. B. A, B, C. You know, B.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N.
He's cheating.
I,
Alright,
P, Q,
let me do it myself. A. C. E. E. F. G. H. Y. J. Oh, well. Are you going to say goodbye now, Arch?
I hope so. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.